Very good morning. I'm Dr. Srinivasan Kumaran. I'm CEO and founder of a company firm called Yellow Buddhii. It is primarily to help children or different age groups through a scientific holistic music therapy. That is where exactly my expertise comes in on the psychology, neuroscience and genetical disorder. Last 8 years I'm practicing this and helping children across the globe. That's my journey. You can very well search about Yellow Buddhii in the public domain. Today I'm so honored and empowered to be part of an association with opportunity to empower students from GIBS. This is my second visit to GIBS. In fact, for the last 1 year back, I'm interacting with Mr. Ritesh and who is communicating with me. He saw my profile and today I got an opportunity to help the newly joined PGDM students. I pick up the topic of mind, brain and conscious. So basically the mind and brain plays a major role, something like a finishing school. Whatever you study about MBA, you study about any institutions, beyond the institutions, there is something which you need to work upon it. So since I came, I'm really happy with the GIBS environment. The mindset, the culture of GIBS is very fantabulous. Whole day today in the first session, I really enjoyed with the students, so happy about it. And in fact, and after my session, I gave request the respective department heads and Ritesh ji to get the feedback, and we wanted to include this special topic for the finishing school concept, because mind and brain who carry with us for rest of our life. Whatever degree you carry, end of the day we make it very clear, the students will demonstrate. We want GIBS to stand and competing with not only top 10, should come in culture, happiness. Many people ask me, what is your success? I will tell you that my success, happiness is the pinnacle of my success. So thank you once again for giving me an opportunity. This message will go to all the students. Identify your passion. Make sure that you follow certain principle. Today I've told you about A, B, C, D. A stands for attitude, B stands for belief, C stands for commitment, and D stands for discipline. If you maintain this A, B, C, D in your life, nobody can shake you. Nobody can just feel that you will be highly demandable. Of course, GIBS, a quote is there, the good management is there, good team is going to work on you. I wish you all the very best to all GIBS management and the faculties and all the students. Best wishes. Thank you so much.